Nice launch trajectory and countdown net. Pad is clear. Go for launch.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. Liftoff.
Vehicle is pitching downrange.
Okay, more profit nominal.
Vehicle is supersonic.
Stage separation confirmed.
MVAC ignition.
Landing legs have deployed, and Falcon 9 has landed. Dragon, separation confirmed.
Houston Station, spaceground to ISS thrusters enabled.
Houston Station, Dragon hatch opened at 13:07.
On behalf of Ripley, Little Earth, myself, and our crew, welcome to the Crew Dragon.
Houston Station on 2, ISS crew is ready for departure. Separation visually confirmed. We have visual on Doug. We have 4 health sheep.
Recover this is DRC. Dragon has landed.